Hey, I'm Cameron McKenzie. I'm the editor-in-chief at the serverside.com, and I want to quickly show you how to push an existing project to GitHub. Now, as you can see, I've got a project here. It's a simple web page with an HTML page, some JavaScript, and a style sheet, and I would like to move it up to GitHub. So how do you do that? Well, the first thing you need to do is create a new repository on GitHub to handle all of those files. So I'll call my repository example website, accept all of the defaults, and click the green Create Repository button. When that's complete, I will need the GitHub URL. So I'm going to copy that GitHub URL so that I can add this repository as a remote to my local Git repository. And what do I mean by local Git repository? Well, it's the local Git repository that has these files in it, but I don't actually have a local Git repository yet. I've never initialized Git on this client. So I need to open up a git bash shell here and do that git init command. Now this will actually initialize a Git instance in this folder. So locally, I am now tracking these files with Git. Well, I say that, but if I do a git status, Git's going to say to me it's not tracking anything, that index, script, and style are all untracked files. But I can change that. I just do the git add command. That adds those files to the Git index. If you do a git status command, it'll say, hey, these are new files. I'm tracking them, but they need to be committed. It's like, okay, Git, I can do that too. Git commit -m and new project to push to GitHub will be the commit message. Not a great commit message, but it works. Okay, so I now have a Git repository on GitHub. I now have a project being managed by Git locally. How do I actually get that local project pushed to GitHub? Well, what you do is you add that GitHub repository in the cloud as a remote using that GitHub URL. And here's how you do it. You say git, add a remote reference to that GitHub repository in the cloud. We're going to call it origin for now. That's just standard. And then I'm going to paste in that long URL. So yours is going to be different from mine. Obviously, you're not Cameron MCNZ, no matter how much you want to be. So you got to have your own name in there. And of course, whatever you named your Git repository. But if I click enter, that remote repo gets added as a place that I can push my code. But that didn't push the code. If you want to push your code with Git, you got to do a git push. And in this case, I'm going to add the -u command to make that the default, and then -f to force this over. If you don't do the force, well, the force won't be with you, and I'm afraid it might not get pushed up. And when I say might, it won't. Okay, now, what remote reference are we going to use? Well, origin, that's what we called our repository. And what branch are we going to push up? Well, in this case, it looks like I'm on the master branch. I should be on the main branch, but I'm going to push to master. I click enter. It asks me to sign in, so I'll sign in with my browser. Why not? Authentication is successful, and boom, all of a sudden that master branch gets pushed up to GitHub. Now, I'm from Missouri. I want to be shown this. There's my example website there. It looks like nothing's changed, but oh, I didn't do a refresh. So let's do a refresh here. And boom, all of a sudden, we've got the HTML page, the JavaScript page, and the style sheet up here. And you know what's even cool? If I actually add a file up here, so I'll create a new file, the about.html, and we'll say I'm all about GitHub projects being pushed up. Okay, you can put whatever you want in there. I'll commit that new file. Now, all of a sudden, I've actually got all the files on my local system +1. There's that about file, and there's no about file over here. Well, now I can just do a git pull command, maybe even say origin, and all of a sudden that file comes down. And I could do this all day long, pushing and pulling from my local Git installation to the GitHub repository there, but I don't have time for that today. But what is cool is just how easy it is to push a local project up to a GitHub repository. Now, if you did enjoy that tutorial, why don't you head over to the serverside.com. I'm the editor-in-chief over there, and we've got lots of great tutorials on Git, GitHub, DevOps tools, enterprise Java, you name it. If you're interested in my personal antics, you can always follow me on Twitter at CameronMCNZ. And please, why don't you subscribe on the YouTube?